Did you know that you can move in, move out, move up, and even move over? Move is another one of those verbs that can be followed by a number of different prepositions, each one with a different meaning and usage. Ooh, I don't like prepositions. Yeah, I know. Prepositions can be challenging, but knowing how to use prepositions correctly will make your English communication skills much smoother. Let's study together. Welcome to another English vocabulary lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to study English here with me today. And I know just how much of a pain in the neck it is to learn and remember how to use English prepositions. Hopefully, this lesson is going to clear some of that up for you. First of all, we have move in. We use move in when you talk about relocating to a new home or, if it's a business, a new office. We use move into when we mention the new place. Happy English moved into this space a couple of years ago. Tommy found a new apartment and he's going to move in on January 1st. Yes, well, you can move in as soon as you pay the first month's rent. In a similar way, we use move in with to show that someone begins sharing a home with another person. Jenny moved in with her boyfriend last summer. Actually, her parents didn't agree with her moving in with him because they're not married yet. Danny moved in with his brother when he left his wife. The opposite of move in is move out, and that means to stop living or doing business in a certain place. And we use move out of when we mention that place. Hey, if you don't like your roommate that much, you should move out. Serena said that she wants to move out of her parents' house after college. I think Jim's company finally moved out of that old building. Next, we have move on. Move on means to progress from one situation to another situation. After working at ABC Bank for 10 years, Tommy moved on to XYZ Bank as their CEO. Oh man, I've stayed in this company for a long time without a promotion. I think it's time to move on. Sheila was acting in some musicals on Broadway before moving on to do movies in Hollywood. Move over and move up mean to change from one position to another position. Move over has the meaning of moving from side to side, whereas move up has the nuance of moving forward. Keep in mind that we can use move up or move over for people or things. Excuse me, can you move up? I don't have enough leg room. You know, the flowers on the table are pretty, but can you move them over? I can't see everybody. And here's one more point about move up. A lot of language school students that I've worked with talk about leveling up. And they might come and say to the teacher, "Oh, teacher, next month I want to level up to the next class." Well, here's the thing. Level is not used as a verb with this meaning. So if you want to talk about advancing in your studies from one level to the next level, you have to use move up, not level up. If you're in that situation, you can say to your teacher, "Listen, I think my class is a little too easy for me. I'd like to move up to the next class." That's okay, but please don't ask your teacher to level up. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this or any vocabulary is to take the word or phrase, use it in a sentence that's true for you, and then memorize your sentences. In fact, Why don't you take some of those sentences and write them down in the comments below? I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comments below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.